How to redeem gift card on Target app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can easily redeem gift card on Target app. Now the process is quite simple. I'll be showing you here on the browser, but the process itself is similar on the app as well. So you can either do it on your application or you can do it on the browser. I'll be showing you here on the browser. Now on the browser you can see, if you want to do it, you can head into target.com and you'll be headed into directly the official website. You want to make sure you're logged into your account that you want to redeem the gift card on. Now once you're logged in, you'll get an interface like this. Simply tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top right corner beside the card icon. Simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you should get these options. Now here you can see the gift cards option and you can see save to account. Above the memberships account, you can see the gift card option there. Simply tap on gift cards option and this should take you to another page, and here you can see I have no gift card, but if you want to add it to your gift card, you can simply add gift card to here by simply tapping on the plus icon. You can see there plus icon there. Simply tap on it and it should take you to the gift card redemption page. You can simply type in your card number and you can type in your access number and simply tap on add, and you'll be able to add it. So this way you can add a gift card or redeem gift card on Target app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.